This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to give a vitamin B12 injection in the arm. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including the B12 vial, a sterile syringe, and alcohol wipes. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to maintain hygiene. Finally, identify the deltoid muscle in the upper arm, which is the recommended site for this type of injection. Once prepared, clean the rubber stopper of your vitamin B12 vial with an alcohol wipe. Then, draw air into your syringe, matching the exact dose of B12 you need to inject. Carefully insert the needle into the vial, push the air in, and then invert the vial. Slowly pull back the plunger to draw the precise amount of medication into the syringe, avoiding air bubbles. Now, clean the chosen deltoid injection site on the arm with a fresh alcohol wipe, letting it air dry completely. Gently pinch the muscle to create a firm area. With a quick, confident motion, insert the needle straight into the muscle at a 90-degree angle. Slowly and steadily push the plunger to administer the vitamin B12 medication, ensuring a smooth injection. After the medication is fully injected, quickly withdraw the needle at the same angle it entered. Immediately apply gentle pressure to the injection site with a clean cotton ball or gauze. Remember not to rub the area, as this can cause bruising. Finally, dispose of the used syringe and needle safely in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental needle sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.